All right, let's talk Skechers, shall we? If you're saying, wait, what is that music? It sounds like Saturday. It does, because that is our AM style theme song. And if you have someplace to be on a Monday, you want to get up and do that. But we're doing a special edition of AM Style today because it is the final day of our Super Style sale. So this is a big deal from Skechers, and it's the easygoing rhinestone knit mule. The style is called the Glitz Strut. That's fun, right? And so this is an encore presentation. We wanted you to see it in our special edition of AM Style and in the final day of our Super Style sale while the big deal price is still in effect. So we have the color natural. And this is so fun because we love a mule for the fact that closed toe, open in the back. And this is also Skechers, which means it's going to be cushiony, comfortable, and flexible, and just enough bling. So that's your natural. Here is your black, and that's done on a black sole with black bling. And then here is the color navy, and that navy is fantastic. Love that, on the gray outsole. This one is your sage, and sage is more of like it's sort of like an aqua. So if you love that, on the white outsole, and then here is the color lilac, and it's a dusty lilac, which is really, look at how pretty that is. It's like you want to skip to spring in this. So under $55 with our big deal price, and remember, all fashion has free shipping along with 5 easy pay, so it's $11 to get this Skechers shoe. Sizes are 5 to 11 in medium widths, and then we have sizes 6 to 11 in wide. Angela Bailey is here. I know you want to skip into spring, right?
I want to skip in.
It's good to see you. So this has been a very popular big deal.
It has. I know why.
Why?
We love mules.
Yes,
They're so
it's true.
easy.
Yes.
And I mean, I like we just
slip into it
yes.
and go. Yes, I love it. And open in the back and covered toe.
Exactly.
And then you added a touch of bling to make it.
I know, and it's not over the top. I mean, you get this really nice embellishment, but it's subtle. It really is. If the light hits it in a certain way, it glistens and shines. But if you're not in like a well-lit area, you don't. I mean, it's a very simple design.
Understated.
Something that
enough.
And the simple is really what we live in, right?
It's true.
What we go to all the time. And this is our easy going. So this is sneaker DNA right here from Skechers. It's lightweight, it's flexible, incredibly shock absorbing, and just very supportive. So you're getting into this easy style, but getting a lot of support, something that you really want to wear all day. It's a mule, but check out the heel cup. It's very generous. So you're not going to slip back out. You even get a little extra cushion there too. When you're inside, not only do you get that Skechers memory foam heel to toe that really just contours to your foot and makes just such a delightful experience, it's also relaxed fit. So that's a little extra room in that toe box. So for me, that's magical because I like to be able to wiggle my toes. I hate when they're constricted and and I can wear a sock if I want to. So it's just really, it's a nice feature of that easygoing outsole. Beautiful stretch knit upper that feels like a sock on your skin, so you don't feel the rhinestones underneath. You just see them on the top, but underneath, it's that really soft, breathable knit that we love from Skechers, and great traction too. So you're just gonna pop these on, slide into them, and wear them all the time.
It is what we love heading into springtime. You'll see them on Bridget. Bridget, by the way, wearing them with the wide leg jeans we featured a little earlier.
I'm obsessed with these jeans.
Do you
they
love
look
these
so
jeans?
You're wearing them too, right? They're
yes,
so cute.
They're really, and they're super comfortable.
The cuff thingy is so cute.
I know, right?
Yes.
And it's a good way to show off your cute shoes.
Yes,
too.
I agree.
Ankle length and wide leg style. So as you're looking though, you can see that Bridget's foot sits completely into the mule. Toes are covered, all that padding around the back of the heel, flexible sole, cushioning underneath, and then just, everyday bling is nice. We love a little bling.
Everyday bling is a really good way to describe it.
It's
not like going out dancing bling.
No, exactly.
It's everyday bling, and we need that in our lives. It's just that little something that makes us happy. But you can wear this with everything. I mean, like we're seeing cute casual trouser-like jeans. They're very cute. I'm obsessed with the jeans.
They look good.
But I mean, you can wear this with your favorite joggers, your leggings, and any really cut of denim. They're going to work. These will take you into the spring and summer if you're getting into shorts and skirts and things like that.
And that'll be here before you know. We were talking about the fact that like you realize like, oh my goodness, the days are already starting to get longer.
Do you know
like
how many? Over the weekend we were saying.
Did somebody say?
It was like 39
until the official.
Well, now it's probably 37.
They're gonna check it for us. Someone's gonna Google for us, I'm sure. Let's remind everybody what the colors are, and then I'm ordering true to size. Correct?
You're ordering true to size.
Okay. It's cute.
It's
just
cute.
Like, it's just kicky. It's like the easy little shoe you want to put on as the birds start to chirp and as the flowers start to come back and as you enjoy the fact that the days are longer and more sunshine, and you want a great little shoe that you can just slip into and enjoy your day.
Yeah.
So if you want the color that is here on the end of our table, that is natural.
And that's all natural. I love that the midsole matches the upper, really sleek.
And that's got this sort of clear, almost aurora borealis of the bling. So it does. There's a little flash to it, but it's everyday bling. It doesn't feel over the top. It's not glitter. And then we have the black, and this is the most limited.
And those rhinestones are different too. They're like
they're
black.
black.
Yeah.
Like black diamonds.
Yes, exactly.
And then this is the navy. This is what Bridget was wearing, and on that gray outsole. So I like that combination.
Same. Yeah, I like it too.
And then this is, we're calling this sage,
but it's totally aqua,
isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, I think it's got more of an aqua undertone.
I do.
But I mean, I'm wearing it with my jeans right now, and I think it works with all your favorite pants.
Really cute. It looks really cute. And then this color is lilac. And it's a dusty lilac.
I have a crush on that one. I really do. It's like, because even though it is lilac, it's very neutral.
There's
it has
a
like
little
a gray.
Yeah.
So I think it works with everything. If you like a neutral shoe, but you want to do something a little different, that's it.
And I'll tell you, I mean, and I love when you did this, because for anybody who's like, if you've got a bunion or you've got,
which I do,
foot issues, where the last thing you want is a material that sort of feels as if it's competing with, the natural shape of your foot instead of supporting it. This is going to be incredible. So if you want this color, that's lilac. We're at now closing in on 9,000 pairs already spoken for. So here's what that means for all of you who are saying, oh, it's cute, should I or shouldn't I? More than half of what we even started with is gone. And remember, big deal price, bringing them in at under $55, that is not forever. That's just for a limited time. So these just debuted. We're giving you an encore look in this morning's special AM style happening on a Monday as we wrap up our fashion event. But it's just like, I'm ready. I'm looking forward to spring. I know I can wear them now, but I can't wait until springtime.
Exactly.
I'm gonna skip into spring in those.
It's a bonus when you can get a new pair of shoes right now, wear them now, and then they'll end up taking you through summer, I guarantee, because of the style.
It's so true. And for those who are saying like, I'm ready to kick off the boots and step into something new, then this is a wonderful thing.
Unless it snows on Tuesday, then
are they calling for snow on Tuesday?
I think so.
Oh, geez.
Then I'll probably wear boots.
When is the parade? Do we know when the parade is going to be?
I heard Tuesday. I don't know. I heard Tuesday or
Oh.
Thursday.
Yes. For the world champion, Philadelphia Eagles.
It was an exciting night, wasn't it?
Yes. So, that's the kind of thing you can, celebrate in.
Yes.
So let us know which of the colors you want. Remember, this is natural. Here's your black. This is your navy blue. Sage is more of an aqua, just so you're aware. And then your lilac is a really dusty lilac with a gray undertone to it. Medium and wides up to size 11. Really cute.
Thank you.
Good to see you, Angela.
You too.
All right. I'm loving today's show. I hope you are too. It's a special edition of AM Style because this is the final day of our Super Style sale. And it's part of our Super Style sale. All fashion and jewelry as well